Hi students, welcome to my channel Faisal Physics CIS point-to-point explanation, examination point of view explanation. In this video you will be learning about electrical components, their symbols and uses. This topic is taken from Edexcel IGCSE Physics. Let us see one by one. The first one is resistor. Resistor is represented in this manner. The symbol of resistor is this one. It is used to control the value of, that is the size of voltage or current. The second one is variable resistor. The representation of variable resistor is like this. Draw a resistor with an arrow. So this arrow on the resistor represents variable resistor. Variable resistor is used to alter the resistance in a circuit. It is used to change the current, it is used to increase the current, it is used to decrease the current. If the value of R increases, then the value of current decreases. If the value of R decreases, the value of current increases. That means they are inversely proportional. Resistance and current are inversely proportional. As resistance increases, current decreases. Thus, by using variable resistor, we can increase or decrease current in a given circuit. One of the real life application of variable resistor is television. So when you use television, you increase or decrease the value. Actually, you are using their variable resistor to increase or decrease the volume. We can use variable resistor as a dimmer switch. So if you want to decrease the brightness of a bulb or to increase the brightness of a bulb, we can use variable resistor. If you increase the resistance, then the current value will decreases and the brightness of the bulb will be decreases. And if you decrease the resistance, the current value increases, the bulb glows more brighter. One more use of variable resistor is in electric motor. That means circuit where electric motors are used. The speed of electric motor can be controlled by using variable resistor. The next component is cell. We represent cell in this way. So big line, here also big, small one, small. Compared to this line should be small. So the bigger one is positive and the smaller one is negative. Battery. If there are more than one cell, we call it as a battery. For example, two cells are there. Plus minus. Battery. So it can be 3 cell, it can be 4 cell, it can be any number of cell depending upon the use. The use of cell or battery, they provide electrical energy. They are sources of electrical energy. Next one is bulb. Bulb is represented like this, a circle with cross in it and 2 lines. This is bulb, representation of bulb. Let us see one more electrical component, that is fuse. Fuse is a safety device. It is a safety device. It is represented like this. Just like resistor only, but complete line. So in case of resistor, we draw like this. If it is a fuse, we draw a solid line from one end to another end. Fuse. Fuse is a safety device. It protects electrical appliances from getting damaged. It protects electrical shocks. So it is a safety device. Next, voltmeter. Voltmeter. So voltmeter we represent like this, circle, V in this and 2 lines. Voltmeter is used to measure voltage. It is used to measure voltage. And voltmeter always connected in parallel across a component whose voltage you are investigating. For example, this is a resistor and you want to measure the resistor. If you want to measure the voltage across this resistor, so you have to connect voltmeter in parallel like this. Either below or above doesn't make any difference, but you have to connect in parallel. That means voltmeter is always connected in parallel in a circuit. Let us see ammeter. Ammeter is represented in this manner. Circle, inside the circle A and two lines. Ammeter is used to measure current. Ammeter is used to measure current. It is always connected in series in a circuit. Let us see how it is connected in series. For example, this is bulb and here ammeter, then switch, battery. Switch. Here ammeter, it is connected in series. Let us see another electrical component, thermistor. Thermistor is represented in this manner. Draw a resistor and then a line like this and like this. So this is the representation of thermistor. This is the representation of thermistor. Thermistor is a heat sensitive device. It is used in fire alarms and thermostats. Next we have light dependent resistor. Light dependent resistor. So the representation of light dependent resistor is, draw a resistor and two arrows on the resistor like light is falling on them. So light dependent resistor. So light dependent resistors are light sensitive devices. They are used in automatic light controls, burglar alarms, etc. Light dependent resistor, in short, they are written as LDR. Now diode. Diode is represented like this. Diodes are used in rectifier circuits to convert alternating currents to direct currents. To convert alternating currents to direct current. Now the next component is light emitting diode. Light emitting diode. It is represented like this. A diode, light emitting diode. That means light is coming out, arrows away from the diode. Light emitting diodes. When current passes through these diodes, they glow. Then we have the last one, switch. Representation of switch. The switch is off, that is open switch. And if it is connected like this, represented like this, it is on, that means closed switch. Closed switch.